Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Jens Davidson here. We just finished the project. I've been working on this for quite some time, and it is absolutely beautiful. All handmade, mortise and tenon joinery, good old hand tools. I did use a random orbit sander on the top because using planes on end grain it's basically next to impossible to get a reasonable finish. So I had to resort to sanding, which I didn't like, but the result is above reproach. Sanded it to 320 grit and finished it with a mixture of boiled linseed oil and beeswax. It is just gorgeous. Hugely proud of it. And this one's for Mom. Happy Mother's Day.